What is the initial amount, whether you need 25,000, 30,000? So you have tie-up with all the banks?
Yeah, all the banks in the Netherlands.
So you will also suggest which is the best interest rate to the customer?
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
So
I mean loan eligibility.
Yes, yeah, exactly.
Still now, I was not aware that you are doing tax advice. Just your wife told me. I was really shocked because for my restaurant, I was looking for a bookkeeper.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So you will take care of the salary credit and other things. So I recently got nearly 7 to 8 inquiries. Can you suggest me a good bookkeeper? Hi மக்களே, வெல்கம் டு நெதர்லாண்ட்ஸ் தமிழன். இப்போ நம்ம ஊரில் நம்ம ஒரு வீடு வாங்குறோம் அப்படின்னா என்ன ப்ராசஸ்? ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து அந்த இடத்த வந்து ரியல் எஸ்டேட் ஏஜென்சி மூலயமா ஒரு புரோக்கர் மூலயமாவோ இல்லை ஏஜென்சி மூலயமா போய் பார்ப்போம். பார்த்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த இடம் நமக்கு பிடிச்சி போயிருந்ததுன்னா அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த டாக்குமெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வாங்கி அந்த பத்திரப்பதிவு ஆஃபீஸில் செக் பண்ணிவிட்டு அப்புறம் எல்லாம் பக்காவாக இருக்குது, எந்த வில்லங்கமும் இல்லை அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த இடத்த வாங்குறதுக்கு உண்டான ப்ராசஸ் பண்ணி ரெஜிஸ்டர் ஆஃபீஸ் போய் அந்த இடத்த வந்து நம்ம பேரில் பதிவு பண்ணுவோம். அந்த இடம் நமக்கு சொந்தமாயிரும். இதுதான் வந்து நம்ம ஊரில் நடக்கிற ப்ராசஸ். பட் நெதர்லாண்ட்ஸில் ஒரு வீடு வாங்குறது அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு என்ன ப்ராசஸ்? அதுக்கு வந்து நிறைய ப்ராசஸ் இருக்குது. ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாருமே நிறைய பேர் யூஸ் பண்ணுறது வந்து funda.nl சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு வெப்சைட். அந்த வெப்சைட் மூலயமா தான் நிறைய பேர் வந்து வீடு தேடுவாங்க. இப்போ ஒரு வீடு விலைக்கு வருது, நம்ம வந்து ஒரு வீடு வாங்குறோம் அப்படின்னா அந்த வெப்சைட்டில் போயிட்டு தான் வந்து எல்லாருமே பார்ப்பாங்க. ஸோ அந்த வெப்சைட்டில் போய் நமக்கு தேவையான மாதிரி ஒரு வீடு பார்த்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் லைனாக ப்ராசஸ் இருக்குது. மார்டேஜ் அட்வைசர், மக்களாருன்றது கிட்டத்தட்ட நம்ம ரியல் எஸ்டேட் புரோக்கர் மாதிரி தான். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய ப்ராசஸ் இருக்குது. அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம இன்னைக்கு ஒருத்தரை மீட் பண்ண போகிறோம். அவங்க வந்து இந்தியன் மார்டேஜ் அட்வைசர். அவங்க கிட்ட வந்து நிறைய விஷயங்கள் வந்து கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்க போகிறோம். எனக்கு வந்து பர்சனலாக நிறைய டவுட்ஸ் இருக்குது. அது எல்லாத்தையும் இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறீங்க. வாங்க மக்களே. இப்போ நம்ம வந்திருக்கிறது ஆம்ஸ்டர்டாம் சிட்டி. இது வரைக்கும் பார்த்தீங்களா செகண்ட் ஃப்ளோர் ஆஃபீஸ் இசட். இங்கே இருக்க கேஷ் அண்ட் விஷன் என்எல் அந்த ஆஃபீஸ் தான் போகிறோம். போகலாம் வாங்க. நீங்கள் கூட கேட்கலாம், இப்போ எதுக்கு நீ மார்டேஜ் அட்வைசரை சந்திக்கிற அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. நிறைய நண்பர்கள் நம்ம இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் மூலியமாகவும் மெசஞ்சர் மூலியமாகவும் இந்த வீடு வாங்குற ப்ராசஸ்னால் எப்படி, ஸோ இந்த மக்களாக இருக்கும் மார்டேஜ் அட்வைஸ்க்கும் என்ன வித்தியாசம், ஸோ இந்த டைம் இப்போ வந்து இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ரேட்லாம் கொஞ்சம் அதிகமாக இருக்குது, இது வந்து கரெக்டான டைமா என்னன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நிறைய நண்பர்கள் நம்மகிட்ட இமெயில் மூலியமாக கூட கேட்டிருந்தாங்க. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவில் எல்லாத்தையுமே கிளியராக டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். நான் வந்து வீடு வாங்கும்போது ஃபேஸ் பண்ண பிரச்சனை என்னென்னா, என்னோட மார்டேஜ் அட்வைசர் வந்து 5 மணிக்கு மேலே சுத்தமாக ரெஸ்பான்ஸே பண்ண மாட்டார். நீ எத்தனை ஃபோன் வச்சாலும் சரி ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் பண்ண மாட்டார். அதோட அடுத்த நாள் காலையில் 9 மணிலேருந்து 5 மணிக்குள்ளே நம்ம அடிச்சு கேட்டுக்கணும். ஸோ அது ஒரு பெரிய பிரச்சனை நான் ஃபேஸ் பண்ணேன். நடுவில் எனக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தால் கூட நம்ம பேச முடியாது. பட் இப்போ நம்ம சந்திக்க போகிறவங்க ஃப்ளெக்சிபிளான இந்தியன் மார்டேஜ் அட்வைசர். அதுதான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு பெனிஃபிட்டு. அவங்கள போய் பார்த்து எல்லா டவுட்ஸும் நம்ம கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்க போகிறோம். வாங்க மக்களே இந்த பாருங்கள், cashvision.nl இந்த ஆஃபீஸ் தான் வந்திருக்கும். உள்ளே போகலாம். ஹாய் ப்ரோ. மக்களே, நம்ம கூட வந்து பங்கஜ் இருக்காப்புல. இவர் தான் வந்து இந்த கேஷ் விஷனோட பாஸ். அது வந்து அவங்களோட ஒய்ஃப் ராதிகா. அவங்ககிட்ட பேசுவோம். நைஸ் டு மீட் யூ மிஸ்டர் பங்கஜ். ஸோ யூ கேன் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் அபவுட் யூ அண்ட் யுவர் கம்பெனி.
Yes, we are at Cash Vision. We do tax and mortgage advices. For the past 5 years, we are doing taxation, and for the past 1 year, we have expanded our business with mortgage advisors. We have a lot of happy customers, and we have a lot of people who are buying and financing their houses through us. We only focusing on mortgages, and we do help a lot of happy customers.
And I could see that you are the first Indian mortgage advisor.
Yes.
Okay. Very happy to see Indian mortgage advisor.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Radhika, first thing, there are a lot of people from Netherlands who are new to Netherlands, and people who are trying to buy a house in Netherlands. So your statement would be more useful. So first, can you explain what are the process to buy a house in Netherlands?
Yes, of course. So the first step obviously will be checking how much as a mortgage you can get. What is your budget of buying a house? From there on, you will start finding a house. So you will just search maybe on funda.nl or through Makelaar. You will check which house suits me in my budget and what I like. From there on, you will bid on the house, very roughly said. You will bid on the house, and once your bid has been accepted, you will sign the purchase agreement. From signing the purchase agreement, you will go again to some mortgage advisor to get your mortgage done. So the mortgage will be applied from there on, and after that you will send some documents. You will choose which notary to go to sign the deed and mortgage deed and transfer deed. And once the mortgage has been approved, you go to the notary, you sign, and basically you are the owner.
So it's a big process.
It's a big process, but once you are in it, it's quite simple. Okay. Yeah.
So what would be the total duration of this big process?
So it depends. Normally, if the house is empty, it can be within 2 months.
Okay.
Sometimes within 1 month. Obviously, again, how long take, because the most time will be the mortgage part. The bank has to approve everything and the mortgage has to be approved. But also, again, it depends on the house. Is it empty? If the sellers are still living in it, and from there you have like a timeline from the beginning. Okay.
So what is in your part, what you are going to do in this housekeeping?
So as a mortgage advisor, what we will do is, of course, after the you have find a house, you will sign the purchase.
So first we will go to Funda and we will find a house.
No, first you come to me.
Oh, first we need to come to you.
You start with coming to me. And you will ask me, this is my income. This is how much I earn in a year. How much loan will I get?
Oh, okay. So I mean loan eligibility.
Yes, exactly. It's like a budget for you. So you, with the budget I give to you, you go on Funda and you filter on that amount and you check which houses can be in that budget.
So if I'm not wrong, first if I give you my documents, you will check and say, Ganesh, your budget is like 2,50,000 euros, so like 3 lakhs. So I need to see the house in that budget.
Exactly.
So that is your main job.
That's the main job from the starting. Then obviously you will go or to maklar or you will find the house by yourself. And once you are at that part that the bidding has been accepted and you have a house that you want to buy, you come back to me and you say, so this was the budget, I have found a house now, please apply for my mortgage. So from there on, what will my job obviously be is checking with every bank in the Netherlands which gives you the best interest rate.
So you have tie up with all the banks?
Yeah, all the banks in the Netherlands.
So you will also suggest which is the best interest rate to the customer?
Exactly.
So after then you will make sure the loan is completed?
Yes.
So if somebody is giving you the documents and you are going and applying to the bank, and if the documents are not good or if there is not eligible or something, then what will you do?
What happens? What happens? So of course, first I will ask the client to give the documents that I need to give it to the bank. Of course, the most important things are like your passport copy, resident permit, salary slip, employee statement. Those are the basic documents. First, we will start with that. From there on, the bank will check every document. If the bank have like more questions or they need more documents or they need more like inquiry, they will come to me first and they will tell to me, okay, this is your client, but we need to know more about this. So what I first will do, if I don't have the answer, I will go back to my client and I will ask them, can you please give me the answers of these questions and make it clear to me so I can connect again with the bank and give the answers to them. So 9 of the 10 times, this is how it works and it works out every time. Because I know exactly what to tell the bank because there is nothing like impossible. Everything you have to know as a mortgage advisor, how do you explain the bank so it's clear to the bank as well and there is no doubt in giving you the mortgage.
So end of the day, you will make sure the customer gets the loan.
I will make sure, of course, in every way, left or right, I will make sure the customer gets the mortgage. If I have said to the customer, you will get it, they will get it.
And one main confusion, I don't know whether this is the confusion only it's coming to me or also other people. What is the difference between maklar and mortgage advisor?
So of course, there sometimes people confuse it, but it is a big difference. The maklar is the one who will help you with finding a house and make sure you win the bid as well. Yes, so the maklar will go to you, visit some houses, they will suggest you also this is your budget and you can go visit this house or that house and I know a good house for you as well, off the market for example. And from there on, they will go with you, visit the house and explain you the situation about the house. So they will go with you and they will say, no, this looks old or this is really good, it's just renovated, everything. So the process of buying a house is the part of the maklar. The maklar will make sure you win the bid and after signing the purchase agreement, even the maklar helps you with checking the purchase agreement and everything and finding you a notary. In some cases, if you don't have any maklar and of course you want someone who speaks the Dutch language as I do and want to check if the purchase agreement is right, I can help you with that because I've worked at a notary myself for 5 years.
And main thing, the reason when your husband approached me that we are interested to collab a video, I was really interested because You were the first Indian mortgage advisor, because we had some, I would not say that it's a bad experience, but they are used to it. After 5 o'clock, they'll not attend the phone.
Yes.
And they wanted everything to be done through appointment.
Yes.
So when it's obviously an Indian mortgage advisor, we can even call you by 10:30, 11 o'clock.
It's different. It's different.
We can call you and we can ask our doubts, because when we sleep, we have some doubts and we can immediately call you and ask and confirm.
Yes.
So that's a good thing. So you are flexible to the customers.
Yes, I will tell to you guys, because we are Indian by ourselves as well. We know what kind of doubts and thinking we have as Indians.
You can mindset of Indian mindset.
Exactly. So we know, because you are buying a house out of your country. It's a really big step. It's not like buying bread at the supermarket. So of course we are very helpful in that case. If you want any questions to be answered 10 o'clock and it's like a simple question I can answer, obviously I will do it. So we are flexible, and we know you are also working 9 till 5. Some people. So of course after that you will be available to have some chats and call, and you don't need any appointment specific to have a call with us.
That's very nice. So Radhika, we bought a house recently before 1.5 years. So we had a little bit of savings, and we paid before that loan started and all. We paid like initial amount. So many people who contacted me, they asked me that what is the amount you need to buy a house?
Yes.
What is the initial amount, whether you need 25,000, 30,000? I really don't have any idea whether we need the money, because I could see some cases, they, without any initial amount, they bought a house.
Yes, that's possible.
So some cases they pay 40, 50,000. So can you explain detailing about that?
Of course. So we have two situations in this. Of course, one is the budget. If you have a certain budget and you go above the budget, it's obviously that you have to pay out of your pocket. That's a fact. But if you check inside your budget, for example, you are buying a house of 300k and your budget is 350k, for example, and the house value is also 310 or 320k. If you are purchasing for a price of 300k, the value is 310k, and your budget still fits in the 310k, you can get the gap of 10,000 euros as an extra mortgage to cover all the cost while buying. So basically you won't be
even the documents also we can get it in mortgage.
Yes, yes. So at this situation you don't pay anything out of pocket, and the notary fee, the maklar fee in this case, or the mortgage advisor fee will all be covered in your mortgage.
So when they approach you initially, during the first meet itself, you will tell all the details about
that. So at the first meeting, when they come to me and they will ask me what is my budget, I will explain them this. So even when they are searching for a house and getting the market value done, if they have a maklar, the maklar will do it. Otherwise, we obviously can help. They need to know this, because they can play on this then basically by finding a house.
And main thing, this is the question which many people from Netherlands, they like to ask. When we bought the house, the interest rate was very low. Now suddenly it has been a big hike. So do you think that this is the right time to buy the house, or people can still wait for some time and then they can buy later?
So,
what is your opinion?
If I check the situation now, I don't think the interest rate will go down very soon.
It's not going to come down.
No, it will stay like this for the coming years. Of course, it will never go down in a couple 1 year or 2 years, I think. The thing is, of course, when 2 years ago we did buy with a low interest rate, the price of the purchase price was quite higher than at this moment. So the change what I see now and what people see who are in this market is, the interest rate is high, yes, but the asking purchase price is always lower than 2 years before. So now you have maybe in crazy cities like Amsterdam and all the booming cities, you have to overbid 10, 20k. But 2 years ago, it was like 100k overbidding, 50,000 overbidding. That's not the case, because the interest rate is now higher. So it compensates in this way. So yes, it is a good time to buy. Every time you buy is a good time.
And this is my final question. So there are a lot of mortgage advisors in Netherlands. Why should people come to you?
It's really simple. Because first of all, as I told before, we are Indians. There are not many Indian mortgage advisors. Obviously, no one with their own company, with their own office. In this case, we are flexible. So we take calls after 6 o'clock and sometimes in the weekends as well, if we are not busy by ourselves, of course. From there on, we touch up like a little extra service as the personal touch that we give. So if people comes to us with concern because they are scared, I'm buying something, I'm not in my own country or something, we give you that comfort. We will, and not every question that you will ask us is stupid in this case. So everything you will ask us, we will give you a certain answer that gives you a little bit of comfort as well. Not only this case, but also because I work with every bank in the Netherlands, I'm neutral with every bank. So it's not I have a benefit with this bank, so I will give you this interest rate with this bank, or the other way around. I will just check what is the best for you.
So you'll make sure the customer gets the best deal.
And the customer can check it afterwards. It's always the best deal.
Okay.
So of course.
Yeah, that's very nice of you, Radhika. மக்களே, இப்போ நம்ம சந்திக்க போற ஆள் வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஆள். இவர் வந்து இவரோட நேம் பங்கஜ். இவர் வந்து மார்ட்டேஜ் அட்வைசர் தான், பட் இவர் வந்து அந்த டாக்ஸ் அட்வைசரும் வந்து இவங்க பண்றாங்க. நெதர்லாண்ட்ஸ்ல ஒரு கம்பெனியாக இருக்கட்டும், ஒரு சேலரிட் எம்ப்ளாயடாக இருக்கட்டும், அவங்க வந்து கவர்மெண்ட்டுக்கு வந்து டேக்ஸ் ஃபைல் பண்ணணும். அந்த டேக்ஸ் ஃபைல் பண்ணனா அவங்களுக்கு ஃபைன்லாம் வரும். ஸோ அந்த டேக்ஸ் ஃபைலிங் வந்து நம்மால் பண்ணுறாப்புல அவர்கிட்ட பேசுவோம். பங்கஜ், still now I was not aware that you are doing tax advice. Just your wife told me. I was really shocked because for my restaurant I was looking for a bookkeeper.
You're welcome.
So can you explain that what and all you are doing?
Yes, definitely. So we do bookkeeping for the companies, which can
only for the companies.
Yeah, for companies, because they need to share their financials to the tax department. And beside this, I do income tax filing. So if we go back to the process, you pay Radhika their fee and everything, and at the end of the year, we have a fiscal year from 1st of January till 31st of December, and then the year after that, in March, we start preparing the income tax filing. So every expense that you have made to get the finance done can be claimed back in the income tax filing, and approximately around 37 to 40%, depending on your income, obviously, you will get it back.
Returns.
Yes, yes, definitely.
You will apply for that?
Yes, I will. I will make sure that...
So, customers will come to January month to your wife and March month to you?
Yes. Actually, you are paying first her and then claiming back through me.
That's very nice. So, about this bookkeeping?
So, we do bookkeeping for example, for Buffet, which is in India, a limited company, and we have 8 months tax as well. We have different kind of customers, restaurants, bar. We also have customers who do freelancing, and then we make sure that they are not paying a higher tax at the end of the year. We advise them which kind of expenses you can make to lower your profit and not pay a higher tax at the end of the year.
Okay, but I have a big question, because in bookkeeping, whether that salary, because in my restaurant, my bookkeeper takes care of the salary stuff also. So you will take care of the salary credit and other things.
So if you have a BV and you have people who are employed in your company, and the salary slip will be taken care by us as well.
But I'm sure that you are going to get lot of clients, because I recently got nearly 7 to 8 inquiries. Ganesh suggests me a good big bookkeeper. So I can definitely recommend you.
Thank you.
So your price is also normal?
Yeah, definitely. We charge depending on how big the company is. We charge one fixed amount. But we will not charge you extra. For example, if you call me 7 o'clock and saying I'm standing in Media Market, should I buy the laptop on the company name or on private name? We will not charge you extra. We charge you one fixed amount, and everything is included in that.
So மக்களே, நம்ம எல்லா டவுட்டையும் கேட்டு முடிச்சாச்சு. நம்ம அவங்ககிட்ட வந்து ஒரு டிஸ்கவுண்ட்டை போடுவோம். Radhika ma'am, it was very nice speaking to you. Even I got lot of information, because this housing process, everything was done by my wife. My job is to just search for a person who can do this renovation work and watch them how they are doing the other stuff. So I was maintaining that work. I was no way involved in that housing process. So it was a very good experience for me to know what and all the process, and stage by stage I understand the process. It was nice discussing with you. And one more request for our followers, because I have few followers from Netherlands, and they who are really interested in buying a house, or in further upcoming days also somebody can come. So if you could give a small discount or any thing offer for our followers, it would be very nice.
Yes, of course. So what I can offer people coming through you, of course, is that they come for the calculation.
Okay.
So checking how much loan they can get.
Yeah.
The calculation and the first appointment and everything will be free of charge.
Oh, first thing, super, nice.
Yeah.
That's very good. So also tax also free.
Yes, yeah, definitely. We can definitely check depending on your situation, and if there is a company and you want to discuss, like my bookkeeping is doing this, is it correct? Not, it will be free of cost.
Oh, okay. It was nice meeting you. I really had a very great time and a very useful time, knowledgeable time. I learned lot of things from you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah.